2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, heated steering wheel, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.